right, here we go. Guys did a pretty good job with everything. So we are finally finished. The inspector flagged these things to be completely vacked out, and they were. The guys took care of that. Both of them were taken care of. All the windows that needed screens were put into place. The kitchen is also complete. All the detail work that needed to be done is done. So you can see what stuff was missing before, and they replaced it all. They painted, so they also did that wire thing back there as well, and that was clean as well. Up the steps, the handrail needed to be extended so it runs differently, and then we got another piece and added it to that. So I took care of the hallway. As you can see, the smoke alarm and the carbon monoxide detectors are installed properly as per codes and section 8. The hallway looks decent. They did all that, so the hallway's done. This is bedroom 1 master. All the electrical outlets were adjusted correctly. The windows were unskewed, so they now close and lock as per section 8 requested. And now we know they lock. You see up there your carbon monoxide and your smoke detectors again that are required in each room at this point. So we have all that taken care of down here. Now this is bedroom 2, the one in the middle by the bathroom. Again, everything here has been completely finished. Little details, just little paint spots, and the molding was done, just little small stuff. That's that. Not much to look at in this room because everything is pretty much there. There's your smoke alarm. There we go. And the lovely clawfoot tub was removed. That was quite the challenge. As you know, they weigh like a freaking ton. And I'm sure you know I'm not joking when I say that. And there is the job tile. Basic, you know, no frills, but easy to clean, take care of. The nightmare wallpaper needs to be left up for now, but that is what that is. And the light hole in the wall with that was fixed and taken care of course. The sink is going to be a problem here shortly because it's not letting the water go down as it should. So, this is the room with the porch in the back, as you all know. Smoke detector to your left up there, you saw that. The window opens, it closes on its own, it opens, but he didn't flag that, so we left it alone and added the screen like he requested. As you can see, this is a new door, actually metal, not an interior door used for exterior purposes. That was installed, and out here, this work, as you already know, was finished. All that was painted nicely. That's that. Going up to the 3rd floor, again, same deal with the banister, needed to extend it. Did that, that way we were covered with the inspection. He'll be good with that, hopefully. This room, the windows again just needed to be adjusted correctly for them to just lock. That was the issue, they weren't locking. Every single room's got light in it. All the bulbs have been put in, so that way there's no issues. He definitely wanted this to be the closet in order to consider it a bedroom. So we did this. Hopefully that'll suffice, and it won't make us out a door, but we'll see. And then in there is that. So hopefully this makeshift door curtain thing would get off, you know, leave us alone, hopefully.